Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY video. So I'll be showing you how I did these superhero party favor bags. I know you can find party favor bags in Dollarama or any dollar store or even at Amazon, but nothing really called out to me. And besides, I wanted something shiny, something big enough for the kids to put their party favors and candies from piñatas and a little extra treat as well. So I went out to Dollar Tree and decided to DIY it myself. I found these photo bags, photo prop bags, which I think it's pretty cool. They even carry these at Dollar Tree. You know, it's the dollar store, so it was, to me, it was pretty amazing that they even had these. It comes with 7 accessories, and all I did was just remove the straws from the cutouts and then use the cutout words to glue them onto the gift bags. And then I just added a little extra step, a little extra decor on it. I added a background, like the POW background, onto the words. And if you watch the rest of the video, you'll see what I mean and how everything just comes together. So most of the supplies that you see in the video are from Dollar Tree. Obviously I already had glue gun from previous project, but that I got from Dollarama. I'm not sure if they carry glue guns in Dollar Tree, but they probably do. You know, they pretty much keeping up with Dollarama. But most of these items are from Dollar Tree, and except for the Bristol boards that I got from Dollarama, because I don't think they carry any at Dollar Tree. And this is what I used for. I used it to make the cutouts for the background for the words. So I wanted to look like this, like the zap, how the zap came with the background. That's what I'm doing for the other words, to stick it onto the gift bags. So we're almost near the end of the video. This video was actually very short. I didn't really find it necessary to make it a long video just because it didn't have that much detail. It was just pretty straightforward of tracing, cutting, and gluing. If you think this video was helpful in any way, like the video, share amongst friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do that. Hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I upload videos, which I will be doing so in the next coming weeks. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I will do my best to answer as quick and as best as I can. And once again, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.